Okay, next, let's solve na sample problem number 2. So last time we talked about growth, that is bacteria. Here we talk about the half-life of carbon-14. So ingon niya, ang half-life of carbon-14 is approximately 5,370 years. So siya pasabot ana, after 5,370 years, kay half-life man, 50% sa carbon-14 is converted from original carbon-14 to new non-radioactive nitrogen-14. Kibali ni decay siya. Mo na ng laktod nga pagkaistorya ha. After 5,370 years, katunga niya nag-decay. So we have our here, our what was asked, we are asked, if today we have 100 gram carbon-14, how much is left after 50 years? And then B, we have, if an artifact that originally contained 100 grams of carbon and today it only contains 10 grams, how old is it? So mo na itong pangitaon no, using the decay or half-life. So same rin po nga pamaagi no, from the growth and decay nga general formula, di ba? We have atong x is equal to CA to the KT. So sa may mga considerations na to ani, we are already talking about half-life. So again, C is the population, di ba? X is equal to population. So in this one, ang C na to is ang initial nga kuan niya. Unsay na adri, kung unsay initial nga condition niya. And then ang X is the condition at time equals to T. So, ang initial condition is C, kung pila siya at first. And then Cx is more than yung value at present at time T. So, let's say, ang carbon, kay half-life naman ni siya, di ba? Let's say, ang carbon, initial niya nga quantity is, ato ni siya pangalan na like initial quantity. So, initial quantity niya is C. So, may kag half-life, natunga na no, ang katunga na lang nabilin siya. So, at present, di ay, mingon siya nga, katunga na lang ang nabilin from the initial. So, ang time din na to ani is, ang iyang half-life, or T of 1/2, or ang half-life niya nga time at 0.5. So, saan man ni nato pag-solve? So, let's just try to substitute these values here. So, ang present, so mo ni siya, ang initial nga quantity niya is C. And then at current time, iyang half-life, so katunga siyang total life, which is this one niya, to katunga sa total life, T is at 0.5. Ang iyang quantity na becomes half, that is C over 2. So we have E raised to the K times T, 0.5, or ang half na sa iya ang life. Now we have C, makancel siya. Then we have 1/2 is equal to E to the KT 0.5. Here, mo ginatong first kuan is, here we have the T, which is the half-life. Next, para mawala sa exponential, we make this into natural logarithm. So, nananin tayo ln 1/2 is equal to KT 0.5. So, next na to buhaton. Solve na to. T. So, ang half-life in this is the time is just equal to 1 over K ln 1/2. So, what is, again, ln 1/2? ln 0.5 is negative 69 negative 0.69314, but pwede po natin siya ma-rewrite para mas dali. We have the half-life time is equal to 1 over K ln, since nasa ubos ang 2, we can just put it in numerator, that is 2 to the negative 1. Again, by the property of the natural logarithmic function, kung sa iyang exponent here, pwede na ito mapagawas. Then, we can say that the half-life nga time is just equal to negative 1 over k ln 2. Para mas dali nato siya madumduman. Now, ato na siyang i-apply in this given situation. Para makuha nato si k. So here sa ato ang sample problem number 2, so given nato, we have half-life. Ang t at 0.5 is equal to 5,370 years. Ano yung half-life. And then, yeah. So we were asked nga, if initially, kato atong C gani, or let's say X naught, initial condition na to, 100 grams ang carbon, and then, ipapangutan na ta pila daw ang nabilin ni carbon at time is after 50 years. This is our question A. And then ang B then is, if an artifact that originally contained 100 grams of carbon and today it only contains 10 grams, so yung initial condition is that 100 grams ang initial good first, and then today, 10 grams na lang daw ang nabilin. How old is it? Okay, so na siya. So mara to. We have, if you remember, we have our half-life is equal to negative 1 over k, diba? ln 2. So we can solve for k. So this will be our first step here. K is equal to negative ln 2 over the time at 0.5. That is the half-life. So negative ln 2 times over 5,370 years. Then our constant is equal to negative ln 2 over 5,370. So this is kuano? Negative 0.000129077. So this is our k. So grabe kagamay. So afterwards, substitute na to sa atong equation. Diba we have x equal to ce to the kt. So ipangutan na din ta pila ang x after 50 years. So ato lang substitute. Initial is 100 grams. E to the, this one, negative 0.000129077 times time is in 50 years. So x is equal to, so kay naka-years man itong gigamit pagkuha ni k. So ato pong gigamit nga time is in years. So 100 e to the negative 0.000299077 times 50. We have 99.336 grams after 50 years. Then how about our second problem? So ipangutan na pilang time. So we have same yapon, x is equal to ce to the kt. So x na to is 10 grams na lang daw kuno. And then 100 grams ay yung initial. E to the, ang k na to is negative 0.000129077. And then we were asked about the time. Ito lagi po i-simplify. Negative 0.000129077t is equal to, so i-divide na itong 103. So we have 10 over 100 or equal to 1 over 10, which is equal to 0.1. So atong i-natural logarithmic function ng whole equation. Then we have a negative 0.000129077t is equal to ln of 0.1. Then ang time is ln 0.1 divided by negative 0.000129077. 17,838.85 years. So this is the time.